drop-down, select Apply for License or Registration. Select the state from the drop-down. Under Trade or Retail tab, select Retailer. Under Retailer tab, select Turnover up to 12 lakhs per annum. If you're running Nutrition Club, from Food Services tab, select Club or Canteen and select Turnover up to 12 lakhs per annum as shown in the above screen. Click Proceed. After selecting the Retailer tab, next step is filling the Form A. Associates are required to keep the following documents ready to complete the application: Associate's photograph, identity proof, Aadhaar, voter ID, passport, PAN card, driving license. All documents shall be self-attested by associates before uploading. Fill the Form A with required information. Designation to be selected as individual. Select the correct zone and subdivision. Address of the premises where food business is located. Wrong selection here may lead to rejection of application. Valid mobile number and email ID with the associate name to be mentioned in contact person field. Select the number of years. Select the food category 1, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. For Nutrition Club owners, food category 16 to be additionally selected. Food safety Mitra details can be left blank. In other details section, select source of water supply as NA. Select No for question whether any electric power is used in manufacturing of food items. Associate's photograph to be uploaded. Associate's identity proof to be uploaded. List of accepted ID proof shown in the drop-down. Appropriate option to be selected. Checkbox to be selected to accept the declaration. Online payment through Razorpay option to be selected for making online payment and press Pay button. List of options for making payment are available in the screen. Suitable option credit, debit card, net banking, etc. can be selected for making payment. After making payment, payment receipt with reference number generated as shown in the above screen. By clicking Print License Application, Form A can be viewed and printed. Status of the application can be seen